Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment account Google Play Store, right? It's very easy to do it and I will show you. First of all, you have to just go to the Play Store, and once you're here into the Play Store, on the top right you have to click on this player icon, and once you click over here you will get this option of payment and subscription, right? So just click over here and go to the payment method, and once you click on the payment method it will load for a few seconds. And here, if you want to change your account, it's very easy to do it, but first of all I will show you how you can do it. So for example, you want to change your account. This is the first Google account and I want to change it, right? It's very easy. You have to click on this your profile icon, then here you can see your drop down, right? So you have to click on that drop down and you will get all the email list which is available on your phone, and you can just change it from your from here, right? I will just show you. So I just changed my account and you can see that I have changed my account, and here if I just go here and click on payment and subscription, so this is my different account and this is how you can change your payment account on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.